Welcome to my trading journal week 8. This week unfortunately is not so nice as the previous ones. Currently I'm stuck in some big drawdowns. The account balance is around $5,961, and the main problem is that 4 of my pairs, older pairs, drifted apart really hard and now putting a lot of pressure on the account. Obviously that's bad news. But at the same time, I have seen this kind of phase before, and from what I have noticed that there are periods when capital seems to rotate more aggressively from one group of coins into another, and when that happens, some of my pairs just keep drifting farther apart instead of reverting back quickly. So the fact that I now have big exposure on 4 pairs at the same time actually fits that idea. It might be one of those stronger divergence phases. And usually, after weak periods like this, I start seeing much stronger green days later when mean reversion finally comes back. But maybe this time will be different. We will be able to judge that soon just by looking at my account balance in the next videos. The good side is that with this much exposure, even one of those spreads snaps back properly, it can already make a big difference to the account. And usually, when the spreads start coming back, it doesn't happen on just one pair, a lot of them start improving together. So I'm really curious what next week is going to look like. Another thing this week is that the bot made much fewer trades. It just couldn't find many new pairs to trade, and I also didn't want to loosen the entry conditions too much, especially after seeing what was happening with the older pairs. Because of that, weekly trading volume was only around $64,000, which is much lower than usual. And looking at May overall, the drawdowns is now so deep that the calendar currently shows only about $66 profit for the whole month. So most of the monthly gain basically got wiped out by the red days from this week and partly also from the previous one. So for now, this is definitely not a good looking week. But let's end this one with a Warren Buffett quote: "The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient." See you next week.